power pack for the S2000. I got the harness that goes to the back of the aftermarket radio for the S2000. I'm gonna attempt to make sure everything is connected correctly before I actually solder everything together. But we're doing the front component speakers to give it a little bit more juice. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so we got some of the wires over here. Alright, so since I don't have a camera stand or anything, I'm gonna keep pausing and continuing the video as I go. Alright, so I finally got the Alpine figured out. All the wires are just taped on together before I solder them together. I just want to make sure it turns on and everything works the way it should. It was a little confusing, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna pull this back out and kind of show everyone how it's supposed to be routed or connected and whatnot. So wired up, cleaned up the wires a bit. This is the one that goes to the back, and it's connected to the cables that go to the actual amp. I covered up all the wires with these, so there's a lot of wires behind these. To clean it up a little bit, I just got this one out. The RCA cables, this is all I had, so they're really long, so I ordered like a 1-foot RCA cable. Should be coming in the mail tomorrow. But I'm gonna be mounting this up here, somewhere like this, up here. So let's see. So right here, there's some space. Obviously this is taking up a lot of room, so I'm gonna hold off. I'm getting one on Amazon, should be coming in tomorrow, and this is gonna be mounted up like something like that. Obviously the wires are gonna be tucked, but I think this is a pretty clean setup, and it was pretty easy. Now the factory speakers do sound a lot better with just this power pack on here. In a couple of days I will be getting my component speakers, and I will be updating it and installing the speakers and see how they sound. So thanks guys. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like with the stock speakers and just the Alpine pack. There's a lot more bass to it. It's a lot louder. I mean, it's not clear, but it's a lot louder. I would highly consider it if you're not trying to get speakers and you want a little bit more power out of these factory ones. Not that they can handle it or nothing, but you might want to consider the power pack. So let's see. This is a radio, by the way. I mean, they sound a lot better. I'm not gonna lie. Just with an Alpine pack, it's a lot louder. It's pretty surprising. So let's see.